Hi friends, how are you all doing? Today my son is preparing carrot halwa. He has taken about 7 to 8 carrots and he's grating it now. So this is the quantity of carrot that he has grated. He has kept all the ingredients required for the carrot halwa. He has taken ghee and dry fruits he has cut it, and a piece of kova, it is about 100 grams, and milk made. Into the heated pan he is adding the ghee. Once the ghee starts melting, he will start adding the carrot into it. He is going to stir the grated carrots continuously so that all the ghee gets coated into the carrot. This will take about a minute, and after that he has closed the lid and let it cook for about 20 minutes. The cooking is happening in very low flame. After 10 minutes he is just removing the lid and stirring it once again to ensure that there is enough moisture for it to get cooked and it gets cooked evenly. Friends, it's 20 minutes now and he has removed the lid and he is going to pour a small bowl of milk into it. He is adding very less milk because he wants to add milkmaid into the dish. He is stirring it continuously for about a minute and then he will close the lid and cook it for another 10 minutes. The grated carrots are now soft and well cooked. Now he is going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Another 5 to 10 minutes cooking is done. Now he opens the lid and adds half a tin of milkmaid into it. He is now stirring all the contents together, giving it a very nice mix. He is adding the 100 grams kova after breaking it into small pieces. Friends, the gajar ka halwa is ready and now he is transferring it into the serving dish. He is now decorating the halwa with cut almonds, pista and cashew nuts. Friends, it was an awesome Sunday with an awesome dessert by my son. I hope you liked the recipe. Thanks for watching.